Lean your head forward. I wish you could see this. I'm recording it for you. See if I run up there a little bit and back? Are you comfortable? Okay. Sorry about the butt pocket. I didn't know the camera was still on. That is pretty cool how that goes down. A little shelf right there. Even up in there. I mean, it's really cool. So somehow I have to manage to get from this point to that point. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. Wish me luck. I made it across. I'm going to go up that way a little bit and check it out and see how it's looking. If you look right there, there's more water going into the same creek. We're going to go check that out. Here's a little closer view of what we were just talking about. You can see how the water is coming in this way and it just kind of eddies back around and comes back out. It's pretty cool. I like to get up that way and then switch back over here. We gotta find a way to get across where I'm not gonna get stabbed by trees. So I think what we'll do is come over this way. Whoop, step on that ledge and we're good to go. Got little blackberries in the way, but what's a hike without some thorns in your side? All right, we made it. We're back over here. Made it to this little waterway, which is just, I mean, it's awesome. I mean, look at that. It's like a water slide, but you wouldn't want to go where it's going. Some seriously beautiful. All right, let's keep going. So this is usually all dry land, but if you look back here, you can see where the water's coming in on across that log. Usually this is all dry. You can see how it's just working its way around its surroundings. And that water's going pretty fast. Man, I'd love to jump in there, but I don't feel like dying. Alright. So here's our goal now. We're going to go across this log right here, go up that way, and see if we can't manage our way up that onto this log right here and right there. So, wish me luck. Alright. Just made it across that way. Got my foot a little wet, but that's okay. We're going to keep working our way down. Here's the other side of the waterway that leads to where we were a while ago. And look up here, that's the log we're going to. So let's keep going. Work our way around. Yes, I know I'm terrible at holding the camera, but we're gonna have to kind of frogger our way across this. It shouldn't be too bad. Alright, there's one. Now where's our next frogger pad? That's the next one I can see, but I don't know if I want to jump back onto these rocks. So I think I'm going to do is just accept that my foot's getting wet and hope to God I don't slip. Not going to slip, not going to slip. Oh, no slip. Very good. Oh, here's another little channel. That's cool. Here's the water level on the other side. There's water level on this side. Imagine if that log let go right now. And it's all being held up by this log right here, as you can see. You look at this channelway, water level high, water level low, natural dam. Now see how this log is wet? I'm gonna have to scooter my butt across it, so I'll be back. But let's get a quick view real quick. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. I love it. I could spend forever out here. Look, someone's tent or something got blown away right there. I don't know what that is. But it's not part of nature, that's for sure. Let's get along, shall we? All right. That's so cool. So I don't know that I need to go all the way across. I just kind of want to give you guys an idea of what we're looking at here. Like I said, that's usually all rock right there. Usually all rock. And then there's another little bridge right there, but we don't really need to go out there. It's just the water going underneath or around. So be patient with me. Sorry for the stare at the log, but I really don't feel like getting wet right now. All right, here we go. Let's take another peek. So beautiful, so serene, yada, yada, yada. Let's get back to the beautiful missus that's waiting down there for me. All right, so back to Polyfrog. Oh, I remember this one. Sorry, you're gonna have to go in the butt pocket. All right, doing good. One more jump. Wait. All right, made it across, no problem. Here's another little view. Oh, I think we got a smudge on the lens. All right. Well, I'm signing off. Goodbye.